The Quran challenge all those that believes in idols, deities, and other gods to ask them to reveal the knowledge of the hour. The Quran, in numerous verses, declares, "With God rests the knowledge of the hour," informing us of the exclusivity of this knowledge. Quran 31-34, "With God rests the knowledge of the hour." 7-187, they ask you about the hour, when will it come? Say, knowledge of it rests with my Lord. None can reveal its coming except He. 33-63, the people ask you about the hour. Say, the knowledge thereof rests with God. But what do you know? Perhaps the hour is near. 27-65-66 say, no one in the heavens or on earth knows the future except God, and they do not perceive when they will be resurrected. 2015. The hour is coming, but I keep it almost hidden so that each soul will be paid for what it endeavors. None knows when they will be resurrected. Click the link in my bio to get Unbroken Quran challenges on Amazon.